use on this coil? Does anybody know?
Blue.
Okay, why are we using the blue stuff?
Good.
All right, so this is kind of a bad example because this coil is kind of smashed, all right? But if you look at that coil, that's also smashed, okay? That's called microchannel, all right?
Orange.
The orange stuff, all right, ideal for microchannel, all right? It is very important that you use the orange cleaner on that unit. Before we leave, I want to make sure everybody knows the difference between the two types of coils, all right? The purple cleaner is on this type of coil, the orange cleaner is on that type of coil. If you use the purple cleaner, all right, on that coil, you will destroy it. It'll eat right through it because it's aluminum, okay? If you look on the sticker, it says, notice, clean coils with water only. Well, you can, but water doesn't work that good. This stuff is engineered just for that coil, all right? So what I do, I put the water in the bucket first, in the sprayer first, because if you tried putting coil cleaner in it and then water, it would just bubble up.
Smart.
Is that wide open? Open it up all the way once. Really? All right, that's enough. All right, it says right on the bottle what you got to mix it to. All right, all the instructions are right here. It's about 8 to 1. If you guys are mixing this half and half, you're just going to have soap suds everywhere. All right, it's just going to bubble up. So when I spray it, all right, when I do this, I do half of the coil at a time. This cleaner can only sit on there for about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Remember what that kitchen coil looked like? Yeah. How it was all stained? If you're trying to do the whole coil all at once, you'll never have enough time to do it, all right? So I'm mixing it roughly 8 to 1. If you got a coil that's real bad, you can mix it 4 to 1. If you mix a really strong batch, like I said, you're gonna know because it's gonna bubble. It's gonna really foam. Get a little bit of pressure on it, mix it up, shake it up real good. Before I do the inside coil, I'm going to pretend I'm doing the outside one, all right? With the nozzle, I'm just going to start halfway. I'm going to get the nozzle right in here. I'm going to press the trigger. I'm obviously going to spray. I'm going to move this back and forth, but I'm only going to do half at a time, all right? Because by the time I get done spraying this coil, it's going to be 5 minutes, and all that cleaner is going to be sitting on here. If I try to do this whole thing all at once, I'm never going to have enough time. All right, I'm never gonna have enough time to wash it off, and it's gonna end up staining the coil, and eventually the coil's gonna get brittle and it's gonna break. So let's try to focus on doing half at a time. Get one half all washed out and then do the other half, all right? Everybody get that? So like I said, I wanna do the hard coil because I want everybody to see how to do it. Because this is the coil that we're always missing. So again, I'm only gonna do halfway. This fan motor's kind of in the way, so I gotta get up in there, spray the best I can, spray all over the place, all right? You don't wanna sit there, try not to get the motors wet. They can handle a little bit of water, because obviously when it's raining outside, it still works, right? You still got water coming down, but if you got water just soaking on the motor, you're gonna have problems. You're gonna turn it on and be like, oh, my unit doesn't run, I only got one fan motor running. You're gonna end up with that same scenario. Right? So let's try to start at the top and work our way down.
You should wear gloves.
You should wear gloves.
Stuff burns. If it is really windy outside, guys, skip coil cleaning and do it the next day or the day after. Do not do it when it's windy outside. You're gonna blow this stuff all over the place.